beautiful place. I'm from Colorado originally, and I lived in New Jersey for college. So when I told my family and friends I was going to be living in Texas, they were like, what? Why would you ever go to Texas? I don't know if that's how you guys feel, but I definitely felt that way. And man, I fell in love with that place, and they love the blues. So they got me back into my blues roots. It's a song I wrote. I originally called it No, I'm Not Going Anywhere. And they told me and corrected me and said I gotta call it Ain't Going Nowhere. It's the right way to say it. So here we go. Started out simple, we're in B-flat, sweet and slow. Wanted to spend all my time with you, so I said I ain't going nowhere unless I'm going there with you. No, I ain't going nowhere unless I'm going there with you. I love you so much, I love you so hard. Always with you, baby. You're always in my heart. I ain't going nowhere. No, I ain't going nowhere unless I'm going there with you. Even though we fight, even though I cry, my faith in us is strong. I'll be with you till I die.
Give it up for Nalani on the bass, shall we?
Ow! Tell me I should leave. You say that I should go, but believe me, little baby, I just can't. I love you so. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. Unless I'm going there. No. I ain't going nowhere. Unless I'm going
Nalani on the bass and the vocals.